You might be wondering why studying the psychology of money is important. Well, understanding how money works is not only crucial for personal financial success, but it also impacts our overall well-being and happiness. We all have questions that nag at us when it comes to finances. Questions like, why do some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? Or, why do certain individuals experience stress and anxiety when it comes to money management? These are the real-life facing questions we will tackle head-on today. Throughout this video, we will dive into the psychological factors that influence our attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors towards money. Our main objective is to empower you with a deeper understanding of how money operates and equip you with the knowledge to make sound financial decisions. Before we delve into the rules, let's briefly touch on the importance of having a powerful mindset. You see, the way we think about money greatly influences our financial success. Developing a wealthy mindset enables us to recognize opportunities, overcome obstacles, and take calculated risks. It's the foundation upon which our monetary success is built. So, let's jump into the first rule. Rule number 1. Believe in your potential. To earn money, you must believe that you have the ability to create value and make a positive impact. Cultivate a self-assured attitude and embrace your strengths. Remember, your mindset can either empower or limit you. Rule number 2. Understand the value you provide. Having a deep understanding of the value you bring to the table is crucial. Identify your skills, passions, and expertise. When you recognize your unique strengths, you can leverage them to create a successful career or business that generates income. Now let's move on to rule number 3, kind of. Now imagine this. By liking, sharing, and subscribing, you're not just supporting us, but opening the door to a world of infinite possibilities. You'll have a front row seat to exclusive behind-the-scenes content, early access to captivating videos, and even the chance to influence people on our channel. It's a win-win for everyone. On to rule number 3, master the art of financial discipline. To earn money and build wealth, it's important to manage your finances wisely. Develop good habits such as budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. Remember, it's not just about making money, but also about ensuring that you make the most of what you earn. Next, we have rule number 4. Embrace a lifelong learning mindset. Successful individuals consistently seek knowledge and adapt to new trends and opportunities. Stay updated with the latest industry developments, invest in yourself through personal development, and expand your skill set to stay ahead in today's competitive world. Finally, we come to rule number 5. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people we surround ourselves with greatly impact our mindset and success. Seek out mentors, like-minded individuals, and supportive networks that uplift and inspire you. By surrounding yourself with positive influences, you'll find it much easier to maintain a powerful and motivated mindset. And there you have it, our top 5 rules for developing a powerful mindset and earning money. Remember, these rules are not just empty words. They are tried and tested strategies that have helped countless individuals achieve their financial goals. Before we end today's video, I want to leave you with one important message. You have the power to shape your financial future. By following these rules and laws, you can transform your mindset, create abundant opportunities, and build lasting wealth. Now, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of the psychology of money, hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. If you have a request to make for next content, do drop a comment. Let's take the first step towards financial enlightenment together. Then, remember that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next video.